Today we are going to verify the maximum power transfer theorem. Maximum power transfer theorem for DC circuits states that maximum power is transferred to the load when the load resistance equals the Thevenin resistance as seen from the load terminals. This is a DC source network and this RL is the load is being converted into its Thevenin equivalent, which is represented by a Thevenin voltage in series with a Thevenin resistance. So for maximum power transfer, load resistance should be equals to the Thevenin resistance. Maximum power transfer theorem for AC circuits states that the maximum power is transferred to the load impedance when the load impedance is equals to the complex conjugate of the Thevenin impedance ZTH. For AC circuits, there are three cases depending upon the parameters in the load circuit which we can vary. When only the load reactance is adjustable, then the condition for the maximum power transfer is when the XL, the reactance of load, is negative equal to the reactance of the source. When only RL is adjustable, that is the load resistance is adjustable only, in that case the maximum power condition is achieved when load resistance is equals to R square root of RS square plus XS plus XL square. When both load resistance and load reactance are adjustable, for that case the maximum power condition is achieved when load resistance is equals to source resistance and the load reactance is negative equal to the magnitude of the source reactance. This is the VLab environment where we will verify the conditions derived in the maximum power transfer theorem. By clicking on this, you can connect the 230 volt 50 Hz supply to your circuit. You can click on these tick boxes to bypass the element. By default, all are connected in the circuit. Here we have three cases: when only XL is adjustable, when only RL is adjustable, and case 3 when both XL and RL are adjustable. By clicking on this simulate button, you can see the amount of power transferred to the load and the corresponding efficiency. Take note of 3 to 4 readings and attempt Viva Voice questions enumerated in the lab manual. Thank you.